Hey everyone, I know it has been a very long time since I posted a video to my cooking channel. A lot of things have been going on, but I'm not even worried about that. What I am excited about is I'm getting ready to start posting videos on cooking. So what I would like from you, and again, I know it's been a while, but please comment down below this video. Tell me what you want to see cooked first. I'm very sorry that it's taken so long, but I'm excited about what's happening. There's just been I've had a lot of health issues for those of you who know me, but I'm doing better and I want to get really into this. But I want to hear from you. I want to know what you guys want to see me cook. Most of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel know that I can cook. I'm a big guy. Hey, you can't go wrong with a big guy cooking. But please subscribe, pass this video around to your friends, let them know what's going on. And again, give me a thumbs up, turn on the notifications so you know when I get ready to upload a video, and pass the word on. And your comments really are important to me. So I want to know what you guys think and what you would like to see me cook first. I'm going to go over some basic stuff in the beginning, just like maybe some stuff that maybe you know already, but we're just going to have a little bit of a refresher course per se. And I'm going to show you what things that I use, from cutlery to products to seasonings. I'm going to share it all, and for too long I've kept it to myself, and it's time for me to share it with the world. So thank you for those who have subscribed. And again, I apologize that it's taken this long, but I'm fixing to kick it off. Welcome to the Mexican Can Cooking Show. And I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care.